What do you prefer, a cat or dog?
No, espera. Porque ya
Interesting.
So, when would you like to do homework? Now or later?
Okay. It wasn't a very difficult thing. It was very easy and very simple. And I will explain you how I did it. First, I have to locate how do you write in Morse code the N, the O, and W. The N is really like a dash and a point. The O equals 3 dashes, and the W equals 2 dashes, 1 point and 2 dashes. I have to respect this rule that 1 point equals 1 second of turning on the light. Dashes equals 3 seconds long of turning on the light. Spaces between parts of a letter, like in this case, it takes 1 second, and the spaces between the N and the O take 3 seconds off. So for doing this, I have to do 3 seconds on, 1 second off, 1 second on, and then like a silence of 3 seconds. This means that here it was turned on, and off. In the letter O, I started with 3 seconds off, light turn on, then 1 second off, 3 seconds on, 1 second off, 3 seconds on, and finally 3 seconds off, because this is to pass to the W. In the W was more simple because I only have to do 1 second on, 1 second off, 3 seconds on, 1 off, 3 on, and 3 off. Following these rules, we can see that my Arduino do that, like over here. 3 seconds, 1 dot, 3 dashes of 3 seconds each, and 1 point and 2 dashes. And this was the procedure for doing a Morse code with LEDs.